Other than the cardioid USB powered microphone itself, it also comes with a 5-foot USB cable, a pretty standard cheap microphone stand with mount, which I recommend replacing with an actual microphone stand or a microphone desk mounted arm. A shock mount isn't really necessary, but if you could get one for cheap, I definitely recommend you pick one up to go with this. The package doesn't come with a pop filter, so if you're planning to do podcasts and voiceovers, you have to buy one separately. Fortunately, those things are easy to find and are inexpensive. The package also comes with lifetime warranty, so don't worry about the microphone breaking down after a limited amount of time. The microphone has a cardioid polar pattern, which is fairly directional. When testing it out, I noticed the pickup pattern is about 180 degrees, so anything in front of the mic it will pick up, and anything behind it will only pick up low frequencies out. When I tested this out on my mechanical keyboard test, I heard a lot more of my voice versus the keyboard. So this makes it great for Let's Plays, as your mouse clicks and keyboard noise won't pick up all that much during recording. During the distance test, there's a significant drop in volume as the distance is increased, but it was not drastic as a dynamic microphone. You should be fine if you stay relatively close to it, or just increase the input gain if you're using it further than 2 feet. The microphone has decent sound isolation, which is very impressive, as I make videos in a room that is untreated and prone to a lot of ambient noise. Raw audio mic test 1 2 3 4. Sound check. Sound check. Raw audio mic test 1 2 3 4. With proper attention paid to the location of the microphone and the audio treatment in the room, this will be a microphone that you could use for podcasts and YouTube covers for a very long time.